Hello, Kingdom citizens. Listen, I want to show you something so fascinating that it should absolutely solidify the supremacy of Christ in everyone's mind. I want to show you by the different names of the sons of Israel how, when their names are combined, point to Jesus Christ. Reuben, his name means behold the son. Benjamin, his name is son of the right hand. Levi, joined to. Asher, happy. Gad, troop. Judah, praise. Joseph, taketh away reproach. Issachar, giving rewards or recompense. Zebulun, highly exalted. Dan, judge. Naphtali, wrestler. And Simeon means to hear or obey. Behold the son, Reuben, of the right hand, Benjamin, joined to Levi, the happy, Asher, troop, Gad, of praise, Judah, taking away reproach, Joseph, and giving rewards, Issachar, to those who hear and obey, Simeon, the highly exalted, Zebulun, judge, Dan, and wrestler, Naphtali. All together now. Behold the son of the right hand, joined to the happy troop of praise, taking away reproach and giving rewards to those who hear and obey, the highly exalted judge and wrestler. So that all mouths may be stopped and the Lord alone be justified. God bless you. God loves you. God smiles when he sees you.